The wife was amazed. She was enjoying this thing, though she rolled the priest roll. Well, she chose the priest roll and was unhappy she wasn't allowed to clobber many things. So I might steal. Well, actually, I did steal from World of Warcraft the Smite column of fire for the priest to actually do some damage. But we had a rogue, a priest, and a wizard, and the mother-in-law was the magician. She did lots and lots and lots of damage. She persisted in using a fireball though, and not arcane missile. Whatever. She also had a big. I linked in the story with Timora. I probably blog about this later, but Timora, the goddess of luck, who I stole